Girls have not gone to solve their problems, but they have gone to work for their families. There are cases where parents put girls on trouble. Every time they want money, every time they want money. At the end of the day, these girls cannot be able to save their money. Instead of the girls growing, the girls will not be able to grow and achieve their destiny. The first thing you have to realize is that when you're going to work there, you need to put God first. You need to fear God. And then respect your bosses. Because if you are just going there, you think you are just going there to fetch the money and come back. It may not be possible. You should respect your bosses because you are going to another family.
Era ffe abawala baffe tufollowinga up ne tulaba abaana bali batya. Tulina WhatsApp page ya company abaana kwe bakommunicatingira okutubuulira embeera yaabwe bweri. Aye tulina ba agents betukolagana nabo ebweru abasigala nga bagenda ne bakebera ku baana mu mayumba gye bali okubalaba bwe bali.
And I thank the Minister of Internal Affairs, social and labor and social development. She has really done a great job. I thank the police because these days human trafficking is not like those days. They have really reduced the human trafficking.